Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris. This is Pnwrcmadness. And today I got a video, really quick video on the Fitment on these batteries. These are new batteries by Hobbyking. They are made by Turnigy. This is a rapid 9.5 lithium high voltage 9500 milliamp 4S 100C Lipo pack. Now, I've made a couple previous videos and I've shown that these run really well in my Traxxas XRT. Running these in series, of course. But today's video is going to be, well, what other RCs might they fit? So let's check it out. All right, so for those that didn't watch the previous videos, I'll get you some dimensions really quickly, but these fit in the Traxxas XRT. Let's show you. Oh, check this out. You guys can find these Pnwrcmadness straps on my website. So, I'm not sure if they fit underneath the Traxxas hold downs, but I know they fit inside the tray, front to back, side to side. And a lot of people do upgrade their straps, especially in their XRTs and their X-Maxes, to the Pnwrcmadness straps. But look at that fitment. Fits well, like a glove. Next truck. Oh, they fit in your Arrma Creighton 1/5 scale AS. Check this out. Now this truck actually has adjustable battery trays, and we were running a dual motor setup in this truck, so we have them spread all the way open. But just to show you guys, I want to show you. Oh, they fit like a glove. These straps are a little big because the batteries we were using are 8S. Let me just strap that down. They're monstrous. So there it is, guys. Check it out. They're going to work perfect in your Arrma Creighton 8S. All right. I'm kicking stuff over. Got the Traxxas X-Maxx 8S. This is the, well, got the Hobby Wing 1650 kV in there with the Pnwrc 25mm motor mount in there. Let's see how well they fit the Traxxas X-Maxx. Oh, got the Pnwrcmadness straps. Check this out. Fits like a glove. So far we have fit them into 3 rigs, and all 3 rigs we can run them in series. Look at that, guys, perfect fit, like a glove. Okay, we got one more dual battery truck. This is actually only a 6S truck, but possibly you might have an 8S system in it. This is the Arrma Infraction. This is the 6S version, like I said, but let me show you guys, if you made it 8S, these batteries would fit right into place. So let's go ahead and, well, again, guys, check that out. You can have Pnwrcmadness straps for all your trucks. All right, let's see how they fit inside there. And just like the other batteries, well, we got some stuff in place holding the other one snug. Guys, they fit like a glove. So again, we would be running 2 of these in series. They do make a 3S rapid. I'll try to leave a link for a 3S as well, in case you guys out there have the Arrma Infraction. So let me show you. Check that out. Oh man, this thing's heavy. Oh. So there it is, fits awesome, fits like a glove. Oh man, this is probably the most any of my cars have gotten used lately. All right, so now we're not using them in series, we're just using them singly. These are super highly versatile batteries. So here today we have the Maxx Slash, and this is actually a 4S up to 6S truck. I suppose you could run 8S if you put a new system in it, but again, These are the 4S. We could run this on 4S, so let's see. We got the stock Traxxas battery system in there. Hold down. Let's go ahead, run the wires out of the way. All right, so they do not fit. They do not fit in the stock Maxx Slash, which tells me they might not fit in the stock X-Maxx or XRT battery trays. I know they fit with mine, so we're still making the video. So let's keep going. Let's move on to the next truck. Maxx Slash, don't work. Next truck, we're gonna be, this is gonna be the Arrma Notorious 6S, but you can also run this on 4S. So let's go ahead and get these Arrma battery straps loosened up. And let's see if it fits in the Arrma Notorious. All right. Now this is a 4S pack, and it fits in there super snug. I'm pretty sure this would be just fine running this truck on 4S. I don't want to deal with this mumbo jumbo, but perfect fitment in the Arrma Notorious 6S truck. And you can also run this on 4S. Okay, so we have the Traxxas Max, just like the Slash, and we still got a battery in there. Holy cow, there's where that thing went. So, check this out, guys. This is actually a 6S battery, but here we are again. This is the Turnigy 9500 milliamp. Let's see if it fits. Again, we got the Pnwrcmadness hold down kit. We actually have this on the website as well for the Traxxas Max version 2 only. Check that out, guys. Perfect fit. Again, so super highly versatile battery. The size is, well, I'm not sure, guys, if they do fit underneath any of the stock Traxxas battery hold downs, but if you need some straps, which I definitely highly recommend straps anyways, they're going to fit all these trucks I'm showing you so far. So I think I have one more truck that I know these batteries will fit in, so let's grab that. Okay, we got one more truck that I know these batteries will fit in, or battery. This is the Traxxas Slash. Normally I run this thing on 6S just because, well, I like it and it's super awesome with these tires, but it does run really well on 4S also, just like the Max. So here we go. We got the Pnwrcmadness straps, and this truck is not a stock chassis. We actually have the GPM battery hold down kit in this, and then it's been modified by me with a bigger tray. So let's see here. I could run this truck on 4S, and we'll check this out. The batteries fit. The batteries are actually a little small. I'd have to put some foam in here. Well, actually no, because they're going both directions. So yeah, there we are. I'm almost there. Almost there. I'll show you guys. All right, there we are. So this is when I first started coming out with Kevlar straps. I was actually using the Maxx Amps, and they called their straps Kevlar. Anyways, there it is on my broken Sledge. So the Turnigy Rapid 9.5s by Hobbyking fit in, well, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I got a couple more rigs I think they will fit in also as well. But there you go. Guys, let me show you one comparison for, I'm just going to show you the batteries in comparison with my other brand batteries I normally use, SMC. All right, well, I know the weight doesn't really matter, but I'm just going to give you guys the weight of the Turnigy Rapid 9.5s. So each battery weighs 1.85 ounces, so 1 pound, 8.5 ounces. And then we're going to compare that to this SMC 9200 milliamp. It's a little bit smaller capacity, and it is also high voltage, but it is 120C. So 1 pound 7.1 versus 1 pound 8.6. These are actually a bit heavier, which makes sense because they are quite a bit fatter, but sometimes I do need to use these batteries, which I do like as well, because they're a little bit narrower. Hobbyking, a little bit longer, but they're actually a little bit narrower, and they work in some places like this X-Maxx that I have, and certain other cars with braces and whatnot, and just a good size as well. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll leave a link in the description below for these batteries specifically, only just because these are the only ones I've tested out. Now, if you haven't watched my previous videos, you'll see they do not come with EC5 plugs or QS8 plugs. They come with EC5s, and yeah, I actually soldered these on. So guys, that's it. That's all I got. Thanks for watching the video. Please do hit that subscribe button. This was a sponsored video, and I do have plenty of more videos coming on Turnigy batteries, lots of testing in more rigs. So yeah, I look forward to that. Hope you guys do as well. Please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe, leave me a big thumbs up, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.